Damn, I'm not gonna lie. We need to up our luck here. This is brutal.
I believe. Hey, listen, I'm getting some cool. I got Mimikyu.
Mimikyu. Okay. Let's see. Code again, just in case.
Okay.
I can tell you fast at this.
Yeah, I've done this so many times. That's why.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Surfer.
Code cards for the video game, just full.
Snom. Salazzle.
Come on, give us something here.
Give me some.
Oh!
What is this?
Illustration rares.
Oh.
Nice.
Wait, oh my god, yours looks disgusting though.
What do you mean?
I mean, good job, team.
We need sleeves, actually.
I was like, oh, I need this for my art.
Dude, that's a hit.
So I'll just have it.
Hey,
Wait,
thank
that's
you
a
so
hit?
much, bro.
You can leave the whole thing.
Thank you. Yeah, sleeve that. No,
Me-
where's the
let-
token
let-
kids? That's your hit.
Ooh.
Illustration rare.
Wow.
Can I see yours, Keem?
Yeah, of course.
Just like really,
Check this out.
like,
It's like the hyenas from Lion King.
Wow.
It's
You
my-
surely already have this one, right?
I think I do. You can have it.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes!
Then you gotta take his
Wait,
card like that.
actually?
Yeah.
You swear?
Yeah. But when you pull the Gengar, I don't have that, so you could give that to me. Thank you.
Whoa.
Good deal. So I'll give you that one, but if you don't pull the if you pull the Gengar, I don't have that. So
Well,
you
rock, paper, scissors.
You will rock, paper, scissors if you get a Gengar?
could, imagine we like did like a competition if we pull the Gengar and whoever wins the competition gets it.
We can do
Oh
a
my
boxing
God.
competition.
Okay, I don't want to get my ass beat today. All right. Oh my god. I think I might see a hit.
No.
Stop
I could be wrong though.
it. Stop it.
Move forward.
Okay.
Boom.
Ooh, look at us.
Here we go. You guys are getting faster actually.
I'm trying.
what would we do then? That's like forward. Oh yeah.
Winnie.
Okay, sorry. So me.
Come on.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
Here we go.
Carry on, actually.
Come on, please.
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Wait,
nice.
what is this?
Damn it.
Pikachu.
You got the
Yes.
same one.
Whoa.
That's cool.
Wait, that's the same.
Wow, I got a spider.
Last pack. Oh my gosh.
Damn it.
Whoa.
And now you guys see what I mean by like, you know,
You win
the
some, you
benefit,
lose some.
the value doesn't come from ripping packs, right? Now you see it, right?
Yeah.
That's rough.
I mean,
But it's fun.
It's fun though, yeah.
It's fun when you win.
This is the most nostalgic, you know? Like us ripping packs.
yeah.
Yeah.
Also, it kind of teaches you the hard way how much the card is worth.
That's true.
Yes, that's very true. Okay, I believe.
My last pack.
Like, and that was like day of
My last pack too.
Imagine like Kuro has a god pack because he's the cameraman and cameraman never dies and cameraman gets blessed.
Oh my god. That would be insane.
If you have the Gengar.
Because the thing is, I would never sell it.
Girl, don't you dare give
But
it.
I was like, really close.
If you have the Gengar, it's not even yours, it's mine. Okay?
Okay.
You want to eat next stream, right?
Damn.
I'm just kidding, okay?
Okay.
Come on, this is gonna be good. Mwah.
This is the last pack.
Wow, that looks yummy.
Oh shit! I slipped two. Oh.
Oh, I got another Mimikyu.
Wait. So this is
Oh,
Haunter.
Haunter!
Stop. Keep him. I think I have this one at home actually,
Okay.
but I'm gonna keep him anyways just in case I don't.
Wait, I gotta catch up to you. Okay, there we go. Wait,
Light
let Julie
bulb.
catch up. She needs her reverse. There we go. Okay, now we're on the same page.
3, 2.
Oh,
Oh,
there's one more reverse. You gotta go another. Is that your last?
That's
card?
that's my last.
Oh my
reverse.
god! Wait. Okay. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. I got Vince. I got one hit, chat.
No.
In 5 packs.
I mean, that's how it goes sometimes, I guess.
Well, I got a Haunter. Very cute.
Okay, but look.
Oh,
Yeah,
take
we
this
got-
Ghastly too.
Thank you.
Wait, that's not the worst. So if wait, I can use the collector app.
Yeah, exactly.
Ooh.
You could
Okay.
add that right now or scan it right now.
So chat.
But the app is like the better version is the pro version. it like costs a little bit of money, but I'm very close with the devs. So if you want a paid account, I could get you like get you a few months.
Oh.
So just tell me what your username is when you sign up, and then
Okay.
I can get them to send you like. They're really good about that with influencers. So
Wait, that's sick.
I got Nick like a free like I think I got Nick like a free year or something like that.
Damn.
Because Nick was using it on stream, and I was like, bro, like I know the devs, and he gave me like his username, email, and then they hooked him up.
Oh,
you see,
I
like,
see.
bro, there's like 35 scans that you get
Yeah.
per day or something like that. So
And that's good enough for a scan? Plop?
sign it. Yeah, Collector has sponsored me before. I love them.
Okay, so
They're so generous, so generous.
guess the price.
Maybe like $5 or $6.
What do you think?
6, 7.
$3.74.
Not
We're
bad.
rich.
There was a point where I think that card was like $12 because it's highly playable. I think.
Pay it once, call it.
Keem hooked me up with free collector. I think for my marathon, I'm gonna do like I'm gonna ask collector to get on board with the marathon, and I'm gonna do some stuff with them.
Got some Phantom.
Guess the price.
What for Togekiss?
Yes.
That card's probably like
When I spend $1.
it could be $11, maybe $10, $11, maybe $9 to $11. I'd say.
$8.
When it's $5.55.
Oh.
But hey, it could be worse, you know?
Yeah. True.
Okay, so these are going into my Cute Cunty Slay cards.
Wow.
Look, we got Skibby.
Yeah, I am double W. I am. That is confirmed.
Oh, we all do it.
That is confirmed,
There we
Chad.
go.
Yeah, and all these shiny ones, although I know they're like not, there's nothing crazy about them, there's nothing special about them,
Yeah.
but hey, maybe one day. Oh wait, this one is sick. Wait, why didn't I sleeve this one?
It's an EX, but you can sleeve it. It's cool. That's the one that Julia got too.
The way you call it cool sounds like, yeah, it's a trash card, but you know.
Because it is. But it's cool in that you can still cherish it.
Wow.
Alright, let me hold the camera for Kuro.
Alright, I'm locked in.
Kuro, rip your pack.
Alright.
Cameraman Keem is back.
Hello, chat. It is time.
Let's
Do you
see.
have a pack trick, Kuro?
Yep.
There's no way he's gonna get the Gengar, you know? Like, what are the odds, really? Out of 15. 16 packs, I mean.
I have a feeling he's gonna get something good at least. Uh-oh.
Horse champ?
One more pack.
Okay. He does
Prismatic, this is rough.
Yeah.
But I believe.
Oh wait, you couldn't get a Gengar in this one. No, you
Yeah, you
couldn't.
could.
This pack you could get, like, the top is the Umbreon that Julia looked at before.
Oh, okay.
Dude, it's so hard, like, cameramanning from the side of, like, the bag.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, when you're
because of the
connected to the
cables and
cable.
stuff,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Alright, man, let's see it.
Horse champ.
Let's go. I believe.
I'm holding my breath. I'm holding. Almost
I
there.
believe.
There we go.
Uh-oh.
3, 2.
This is it.
What was it? What's the last one?
GG's.
Oh.
That's kind of cool
We
though.
tried. We
We
tried.
got him a few times.
GG's.
You know, in one
Okay.
hand, I would have felt awful if you got the Gengar.